Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you see from my curly hair, my vacation is done and I'm back to basics, right? Back to work, whatever. So we went to this fabulous resort style hotel. It was like a hotel resort, whatever, but I needed a vacation and IVF is not a game, okay? So anyway, that being said, my body is tired. It's a little drained sometimes. I'm a little, irritable. So I decided to take my baby girl someplace where, mommy is feeling relaxed. Even though she doesn't know, I think I need to clean this mirror. But even though she doesn't know what's going on, she feels like she's on the top of the world and she's a princess. So she has to be treated as such. So I hope y'all like this little mini vacay, this mini vlog. And also in my next video, which I previewed at the end of this one. So watch it all the way to the end. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to leave a nice comment. Let me know if you liked my video. I would appreciate it. And I'm cleaning the pool that I got from Amazon. That was $100. So in the end of this video, I took down the pool and I'm gonna show y'all how my little swimming pool cleaning hack. Cause y'all already know I'm a DIY queen. Bing! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are in the pool. There's a lifeguard right here. So we are having a good time. You like it? Oh. We are upstairs. Yes, honey.
Bring me to a dip, Mom.
Bring you to where?
To a deer.
Okay, so we're gonna go.
To a dip.
So we have taken down our pool and now we're upstairs at the condo.
Yeah.
And we
It's only
are,
on the adapt pool.
yes, and we're having a good time before it rains.
Yeah.
And the lifeguard just cleaned it out for us. He's very nice. Nice. Okay, so mommy's gonna go back. Let me clean your nose. Come. Say hi to the left. It's just a flower. This is so nice. It's like I'm in Bali. Bali. I'm in Bali. Yes, sky. Oh, y'all want to relax? Okay, this is much better. Look at the lighting. Oh, I could get down in the water. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Look at Nova. You want to sit? You want some water? You don't want water to drink? You don't want watermelon to eat? You want to play with the flower? Why you don't sit next to our stuff? Oh, you blowing it.
Okay.
Ooh, this is nice. So do y'all like to get in the water? Look. Got on my little Versace. Ooh, like I'm Illuminati. God.
Vacation vibes. Hi.
Hi.
Woo, you having a good time?
Maybe.
Hmm?
Can we go over there? Can we go over there?
Yeah, we going. We going. We going.
Mommy, that was all water stuff.
It is? Wow. All right. I have nothing to do with it. So, y'all on vacation with us. We went on a mini vacation, and yes, we are here. Okay. So, I want to go to Bali. Do y'all want to go there? I want to go there. Yes, honey. I want to go there. Let me take this off. So, how y'all feeling today? How y'all feeling? Do y'all want to come on vacation with me? So, can you guess where I am? Just guess. Guess what place I'm at. You know how we love to drive and do all these fabulous... They throwing water at me. We love to do all these fabulous road trips, but I had to go on Airbnb and reserve this gorgeous place. It's so nice. Y'all see the waterfalls over there? So I just want to let y'all in. So we're gonna do this, and in this video I'm gonna show you my little mini vacation, and also we took the pool down, so that's what this video is about. And I cleaned it and I stored it back in my shed. So she over there in the jacuzzi side. I'm about to go swim to her right now. Oh, and this lighting right here is everything. It's everything. Ooh. And here I come. Oh, tippy toeing. Wow. Oh, you almost did it. Good job. Okay, guys, so we're going to use some of this Dawn. And y'all already know Dawn could clean the oil off of them pretty little ducks in the ocean. So it could definitely clean this nasty, gooey, green, whatever this is on the bottom of my pool. Do you see that? But anyway, stay tuned, because in the next video, I will be cleaning my pool. Yes, hunty. If you want to see some pool cleaning hacks, stay tuned. Bye, guys.